Welcome back to Prep and Purpose. I'm Vanessa, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I teach you how to steward what you have and to serve where you are with homemade meals and simple systems that save money and time. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Let's fix dinner for the week. Right now. No meal prep, no big cooking day, no complicated planning, just this. So this isn't meal planning from scratch. I'm not picking recipes. I'm not asking what sounds good. I'm simply turning what we already have into dinners. Because dinner isn't hard from cooking, it's hard from deciding. So I decide once, right here, and then I don't think about it again all week. Now that's the goal. So I'm going to write mine out with you. First, taco bowls. Rice, beans, cooked protein. Most of the time, those are already portioned in quart bags in the freezer. So dinner isn't cooking, it's reheating and assembling. 5 minutes and we're eating. Next, pasta and red sauce. Sauce is shelf stable or home canned, already done. Pasta is fresh or something I cooked earlier and froze. Either way, quick. Low thinking. Just heat and eat. Stir fry. Frozen vegetables. Pre-cooked protein. These are supports. Simple foods that make meals faster. Nothing fancy. They just remove friction. Super chili. Batch cook once. Frozen in portions. Another base doing heavy lifting for me. Breakfast for dinner. Eggs, toast, pancakes, always stocked, always easy. Sheet pan meal. Freezer meat or fresh, both work. Leftover nights on purpose. Because cooked food is already done work. Freezer meal, heat only. And then sandwiches or wraps. 5 minutes or less. Notice how short this is. This isn't a big meal plan. It's not every day mapped out. It's just enough options so that my brain doesn't have to start from zero. That's all we're doing here. Reducing decisions, and that's the whole thing. Nothing strict, nothing complicated, just options built from our supports and bases. Dinner here is assembly, not effort. And this is also why I'm not the only one cooking. And the food is portioned. Anyone can make dinner. I keep simple instruction pages in the kitchen. Each one says what to pull, how to heat it, how to season it, and how to finish it. So nobody has to ask me anything. Because the thinking already happened here. I don't cook ahead to be productive. I cook ahead to remove decisions. This is why I portion things like this. 1 bag equals 1 dinner. No scooping, no measuring. No guessing if that is enough. When it's already portioned, my brain doesn't have to calculate anything. Grab it, heat it, done. It sounds tiny, but this saves more energy than you think. Dinner becomes assembly, not effort. And then we have one more safety net. Emergency meals. Fully cooked, heat only. So if nobody cooked or the day fell apart, we still eat. Dinner is never a crisis in this house. Ever. And here's the part that surprised me the most. Because of these layers, visibility, supports, bases, emergency meals, I'm only really in the kitchen 1 or 2 days a week, sometimes less. Not for hours, just small top-ups, filling gaps. I used to feel like I lived in the kitchen. Cooking every day, cleaning every day, starting over every day. Now it's just an hour here, 30 minutes there, and the rest of the week, the system carries me. Food supports my life. It doesn't run it. And this list is what makes that possible. But there's one more piece that makes it stay easy. Because this part removes the decisions. But the reset is what keeps everything stocked. So next time, I'll show you exactly how I top off everything up in about an hour or so. I am the only one cooking 2 days a week. It's way simpler than people think. If you want to try this with me, start with visibility first. See what you already have. Then make a short dinner list from your supports and bases. And if you want those visibility pages, they're linked below for you. Steward what you have. Serve where you are. And you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.